The Mazda MX-5 NA has long been celebrated as an affordable classic, known for its engaging driving experience and budget-friendly price tag. For many, it's the perfect entry-level roadster, offering the thrills of open-air driving without the hefty price tag of more exotic cars. But in true Japanese tuning fashion, one body shop has taken the iconic MX-5 and transformed it into something much more striking, with a custom body kit that evokes the spirit of Porsche's timeless design. This unique Mazda MX-5 NA was given a complete makeover by Heartbeat, a Japanese custom shop known for their ambitious and eye-catching modifications. The shop set out to give the little roadster a distinctive Porsche-like look, and they succeeded in making the Miata stand out from the crowd. While it's clear that this modification is a far cry from the factory styling, it's also evident that the kit gives the car a personality of its own. One of the most striking changes is the removal of the MX-5's iconic pop-up headlights, which have been replaced by a set of oval-shaped units sourced from the first-generation R50 mini hatch. Interestingly, the Morgan Aero 8 also shares these mini headlights, although it previously used VW Beetle-inspired lights. This quirky choice works surprisingly well, adding a touch of class and character to the front end of the car, reminiscent of classic Porsche styling. The front of the car also sees several other modifications that give it an even more bold and aggressive stance. The custom bumper features an integrated splitter, giving the car a more performance-oriented look, while the vented hood adds a sense of purpose to the front end. Pairing these elements are custom fenders that give the car a more muscular appearance, pushing the boundaries of the Miata's original design. Although the design might not be for everyone, there's no denying that this Miata now turns heads wherever it goes. True to form, no self-respecting Japanese body kit would be complete without fender extensions, and this Mazda MX-5 doesn't disappoint. Bolt-on fender flares are paired with deeper side skirts that add an even more dramatic edge to the car's profile. The fresh set of 4-spoke alloy wheels, another key feature of this build, enhance the unique look and contribute to the overall roadster's dynamic appeal. But it's the rear end of the car that really brings the Porsche influence to life. A bold black trim piece holds quad round taillights, which immediately draw comparisons to the rear of classic Porsche models. The rear bumper has been bulked up and fitted with a diffuser, giving the Miata a performance-oriented aesthetic. However, the piece de resistance is the oversized rear wing that sits proudly on the deck, making a statement that the car is as much about style as it is about substance. This custom body kit is made from fiber-reinforced plastic, ensuring a combination of strength and lightweight construction. Heartbeat has fitted this kit to several other MX-5 NA models over the years, and the conversion has built a dedicated following on social media, where fans regularly praise its Porsche-inspired look. The first appearance of this body kit dates back to 2014, marking the beginning of what would become a trend for Miata owners seeking a more dramatic and distinctive style for their cars. Although the price of the conversion remains unclear, the attention to detail and the high-quality materials used in the kit suggest it's not a cheap modification. If you're eager to transform your own MX-5 into a Porsche-inspired roadster, you can always reach out to Heartbeat for more details on how to get started with the conversion. While there's no official price tag, it's clear that for the right enthusiast, this unique body kit is a worthy investment to make their Miata stand out from the crowd. The transformation of this Mazda MX-5 NA is a testament to the creativity and skill of Japanese custom shops, offering car lovers a chance to breathe new life into their beloved roadsters. Whether you're a fan of Porsche or simply want a truly unique MX-5, this custom kit could be the perfect way to make your roadster dreams a reality.